And now, Kualalumpur Bird Park, proudly presents here the Bird Show! First of all, my name is Martin and I'm your host for today. Okay, alright guys, now let's start with a little info about Kualalumpur Bird Park. Okay guys, now Kualalumpur Bird Park was opened on 15 February 1991 and we are about 21 acres and housing more than 3,000 birds from foreign and local. Wow, there was a lot of birds, right? Okay, alright guys, now let me introduce my little friend here. His name is Coco, our yellow-named Amazon parrot. Okay, now Coco, can you say something to everyone here, Coco? Come on, boy. Hello. There you go. Coco say hello. Welcome, Coco. Okay, alright, bye, Coco. Oh, Coco. Coco, I saw some pretty ladies here, Coco. Alright, now Coco, can you say something to the ladies, Coco? Alright. Ooh, not bad. Coco, say hi to the ladies. Okay, now, ladies, can you say hi to Coco? Come on, ladies. Alright, they say hi to you, right, Coco? Never break your heart, right? Okay, now, Coco, how about for the kids here, Coco? Can you say something crazy to the kids? Come on, Coco. Yeah, that was a crazy hello from Coco. One time, right? Okay, but Coco, oh, Coco, I have one question for you. How are you feel today, Coco? You feel good? Oh, no, Coco? Yeah. Good. Coco feel good today. Okay. Alright, guys, now. Coco feel good today. Now, how about you guys? You gonna feel good too? Yeah, well done. Thank you, guys. Alright, now, Coco. If you feel good, you must be happy, right, Coco? Okay, now, Coco, can you show them your happy expression, Coco? From your heart, right, come on. Yeah, Coco is laughing. He's very happy today. Alright, guys, now give me hands to the toes ahead. Enjoy. Okay, alright, guys, now, please welcome our first performer for today. His name is Mr. Green, our yellow Suffolk Crazy Mr. and Mr. Alfie. Alright, guys, now, Mr. Green wants to say something. What is it, Mr. Green? Okay, come on, boy. W-E-L-C-O-M-E. Welcome, Ninja. Mr. Ninja said welcome to you. Okay, alright, guys. Not just that. I think Mr. Green also wants to show his acrobatic skills. But before that, Mr. Green, come here first. Okay, now, Mr. Green, are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, now let's do it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Now next please. Ready, Mr. Green, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done, Mr. Green. Let's give your hand to Mr. Green here as well as Coco. Thank you all. Okay, now guys, a little info about the white bird is very easy to identify their gender by looking at their eyes. Alright guys, now for males, they have dark brown eyes, while females have a red eyes. Okay, so guys, now we have seen yellow nail Amazon parrot and yellow Suffolk Crazy cockatoo. Now guys, we are going to see one Hongkong actually, and his name is Mr. Snowy. But before that, Mr. Snowy, are you ready? Alright, guys, give me a hand to Mr. Snowy here, our white crown Hongkong. Alright guys, now, a little info about Hongkong. For your information, in the world we got about 55 species of Hongkong. And guys, for your information, all hornbill have their own uniqueness, which is all hornbill have horn. They have two types of horn, which is flattened and also curved horn. For white crown hornbill, they have a small flattened horn. Okay? Okay, guys. Now, what about their behavior? Okay, so guys, actually hornbill is an omnivore. Alright, we give fruit and also meat. So guys, what kind of meat we have here? We have a mouse here. Okay. Alright, just slowly. Good job. Come on, go to Miss Avi. Alright. Okay. Okay, so guys, how to differentiate between male and female? Of course, for Mrs. Snowy is a female, and male, guys, you can look it from the neck until to the breast. The color of the feather is the white color. Alright, guys, now give me a hand to Mrs. Snowy here, our white crown hornbill. Thank you, Mrs. Snowy, alright? You can go back, thank you. Okay, so guys, next we are going to have a free flying bird, but before that, guys, I need your cooperation, which is I need you guys to stay sit down. I need you guys to stay sit down for a while, thank you, guys. At the back also. Please stay sit down, yes, at the back. With a red shirt, sir, with a red shirt, please stay sit down first. Okay, sir, please stay sit down, thank you. We are going to have a free flying bird. I need you guys to stay sit down. Thank you guys for your cooperation. Okay, now we are going to have a green wing call. Alright, before that, Zizo, are you ready guys? Here, alright, come on, Zizo. And their lifespan is about 40 to 60 years old. Oh, that was a very long lifespan, right? Okay, so guys, next, what I have here, I need a cooperation, which is when Zizu comes here, I need you guys to clap your hands, follow the rhythm, okay? But before that, let Zizu finish first. Alright, come here, boy.
Oh!
Good job, good job. Okay, now Zizu next now. Alright, so guys, once again, alright? Please dance once more. Come on, sister. I think that is how we're going to okay. Thank you. Alright, guys, I give me hands to the sister. Yeah, okay. This is love dancing. Thank you, sister. Thank you, guys. Okay. Alright, guys, now we are going to have one more free flying bird. But before that, this time, please welcome our blue and gold worker. His name is Violet. But before that, Violet, are you ready? well done. Okay, my pilot, behave yourself over there. Okay, alright guys, now it's time. I need two kids here. Come on, I need two kids. Kids, raise your hand, come on. Yes, you and yes, little girl. Okay, alright. Now, little boy, little girl. Yes, you. Come here. You go to Mr. Ali and you, little girl, you go to Mr. Ali over there. Pilot, come here, pilot. Okay, turn around. Ready, pilot. Now on count 1, 2, 3. Okay, alright guys, got it. Let's do this one more time. One more time. Come on, pilot. Turn around, pilot. Ready? Now, pilot. On count 1, 2, 3, go! First ring and second ring. There you go. Well done. Thank you. Okay, now guys, give a big hand to the pilot and thank you to our volunteer. Thank you guys. Now, pilot, come here. Alright guys, now give a big hand to the pilot. Thank you, pilot. 1, 2, and go. Thank you all. Okay, alright guys, now let's do something more interesting. Okay, now we are going to have a racing competition. It's time for it. But before that guys, before we start the race, what I have here is I have 2 holes here with some rings. Okay, so guys, I'm going to put these 3 rings here and I need 2 birds. Alright, I'm going to take these 3 rings and put back into the bowl. And whoever is finished first is the winner. Alright, now this was our first contest of this one from Ringo with Mr. Alfie. Mr. Alfie, are you ready? Good. Okay, now this one from Popeye with Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali, are you ready? Good. Okay, alright guys, before we start race, I need a cheerleader from the audience, alright? So guys, I'm going to divide you guys into 2 teams, which is, let's start from here. Alright, now from here until to my right side. You guys volunteer for Popeye. Alright, so guys, can you shout Popeye, Popeye, Popeye 3 times as loud as you can. Ready? Now on count 1, 2, 3. Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. Is it good? Not good, alright? Come on guys, one day, alright, let's do this one more time and do some more louder, alright? Give up some spirit. Ready? Now on count 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is good, right? Good job, thank you guys. Okay, now from here until to my left side, you guys volunteer for Ringo. Please shout Ringo, Ringo, Ringo 3 times as loud as you can. Ready now, on count 1, 2, 3. Ringo, Ringo, Ringo. Oh wow, is that good again? Good, alright. Okay guys, now let's start the race, alright? Trainers, to your position. Alright, trainers, are you guys ready? Cheerleaders, get ready, okay? Okay guys, now on your mark, get set and go! Come on, Popeye, come on, Popeye, Popeye, get ready, come on, Popeye, Popeye! Alright, come on, alright, first ring is Popeye, good job! Okay, alright guys, now guys, we have our winner for today, alright? Okay, so guys, now, give a big hand to Ringo and Mr. Ali. You got the right there, wow. Okay, Mr. Ali, what happened to you?
And one more race.
You want one more race, you know that you got, right? Okay, alright guys, the trainer said you want one more race. Do you guys want one more race? Yes!
change the bed.
You want to change the bed? Okay, come on. Alright, so guys, Miss Ali wants to change his bed, okay? Alright, okay, Miss Ali, you want to change your bed? Okay, you want to change the bed? Oh! Alright, you've been confident. Okay, alright guys, now, Miss Ali has Jody here, give him a call. Get it, that's it. Okay, you want to change your bed? Okay. Alright, so guys, Miss Ali also wants to change his bed. Alright, go ahead and change your bed. Okay. So guys, what Mr. Ali brings here is a big bed and also basketball pole. And also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 ball, right? And I think the ball is very heavy. This time I think we go kind of cheating. Oh, but also, and this time what is it? It's a poppy. Okay, alright guys, now Mr. Afiq brings poppy. Alright, so guys, the team, the cheerleader won't cheer, right? From here until to my right side. You guys volunteer for Mr. Ali and Jody. And from here until to my left side, you guys volunteer for Mr. Afiq and Poppy. Alright, so guys, let's start the race, okay? Someone bring us here, Poppy, say. Alright, so it's very heavy. This side cannot cheat. Okay, so guys, now what we have here is a 5 ball. So the rules are very simple. Whoever takes 3 balls, we're going to pick the winner. Okay? Okay, Pranav, are you guys ready? Good. Okay, now on your mark. Get set and go. Come on, Jody. Come on, Jody. Alright, Jody, come on. Jody, where's your ball? Jody, get your ball.
Oh my god!
Come on. Okay, ball. Jody, go and take your ball.
One more race.
One more race. Oh, it's obvious I think that he not going to be asking too many races here. Okay. Alright guys, now here we have the Jody and Mr. Ali because won the race. Okay, now Mr. Ali, you can go back and continue, okay? Now here we have Mr. Ali and Bobby. Thank you. Okay, so guys, actually all the is the winner. Alright, and this time we are saying Jody. Now what we have for Jody here? Alright guys, now this time we are going to test Jody eyesight. Alright, now what we have here is 3 empty balls and 1 wooden dot. Okay, so guys, Mr. Ali, we're going to find wooden dot into one of the balls and Jody, we're going to find it, okay? Jody, focus Jody. Okay. Jody, focus. Okay, now Jody, where's the wooden knife? Oh! Okay, my God, I will like this one more time. And this time, Miss Ali, please have to move fast. Alright, faster, Miss Ali. Jody, this time, faster. Focus, Jody. Okay. Okay, faster, Miss Ali. Alright, good. Jody, focus. Focus, Jody. Jody, focus. Are you okay, Jody?
Oh!
Oh, okay. Jody, focus. Focus, Jody. Alright, now, Jody, this time, where's the wooden gun? Okay, alright, that guys, I think let's do this one more time to verify it. Okay, Miss Ali, one Alright, now sir, come here first. Jake, turn around. So what is your name?
Jake.
Jake, okay. Mr. Jake, you are come from?
America.
America, California. Okay, Mr. Jake, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, come follow me, Mr. Jake. Okay, now, Mr. Jake, I want to show you 3 empty bowls, alright? First, is it empty for you? Empty. Second, empty. And last one, empty also. Okay, now, Mr. Jake, can you check for me on the wooden leg if any sound of hand, any sound of hand? I didn't just see. Okay, now, Mr. Jake, we are going to hide the wooden leg and you are going to shuffle it. Okay, and after finish, push it into the front. Okay, now, are you ready?
Sure.
Jody, are you ready? Good. Focus, Jody. Jody, focus. Focus, Jody. Alright. Jody, are you okay, Jody? Good. Okay, all right, Jody. Okay, now let's see. Are you done today? Okay, come here. One step in today. Okay, let's see if Mr. J can beat you, Jody.